Hey there! If you're posting to Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest and keeping the plan in your head, you're guessing at what works. This spreadsheet puts every post and every result in one place. Let me show you around. The dashboard opens with the quarter at a glance, post planned, post published, total reach, and total engagement, then breaks it down per platform with an engagement rate worked out for each. The content calendar is the working tab. Every post gets an ID, a date, a platform, a post type, a content pillar, your hook, caption notes, a hashtag set, the time it goes out, and whether it's published. Content pillars keeps you balanced. You set a target percentage for educate, entertain, and inspire, and it shows your actual mix against that target, so one pillar doesn't quietly take over. The hashtag bank stores your sets by platform, counts the tags, and tracks how often each set has been used and when you last used it, so you're rotating rather than repeating. The performance log is where the numbers land. Likes, comments, shares, saves, reach, and impressions per post, with engagement and engagement rate calculated for you. Repurposing turns one piece of content into 6. You list the source, then tick off the reel, carousel, story, pin, tweet, and short, and it shows what's made and what's still to make. Brand deals tracks the money, partner deliverables, agreed fee, due date, whether it's delivered, and whether you've been paid, with days to do, and an outstanding total. And the 90-day strategy sets the direction, monthly themes, goalposts, and progress against that goal, so the calendar has a point. That's the social media content calendar and planner. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.